Press the subscribe button if you haven't already and press the bell icon and never stop learning.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech Hunters. Today I am going to start a new tutorial on basic Matlab coding. At that present moment, Matlab is widely used in project work, research work, modern technology like image recognition, face detection. These are the applications of image processing. But more than that, it is used for signal processing, digital image processing, digital signal processing, digital communication, and almost every sector of engineering. Now today I'm going to discuss about the basic introduction and what is Matlab, where from you can download the Matlab. So let's start. About Matlab. Matlab is a high level computing language. I hope you know about the high level language, low level language, assembly level language. It is widely used in computational analysis, control systems, signal processing, communication fields, and digital communication fields also, and it is most widely used and in image processing also. The name Matlab came from matrix laboratory. From matrix, mat is taken and lab is taken from the laboratory word. The official site of downloading Matlab is mathworks.com, and for information, at that present moment Matlab is one of the popular computation software. The link of Matlab I already told you, mathworks.com, and basically Matlab is not a open source software, and it gives you almost 30 days trial pack. After that you have to buy it. But if Matlab is not available to you, you may use Skylab, as the platform of Skylab and Matlab almost same, so I prefer that you can use uh, Skylab instead of Matlab. The link of Skylab is www.skylab.org. The both links are given in my software in my description, and if you want you can download this software from that link. And my only suggestion is that please follow this video sequentially, and I hope that if you follow this tutorial sequentially, you can able to code any kind of MATLAB program, or you can use the functions or mat functions in MATLAB software. So for my upcoming videos I will start the basic coding, and if you have any doubt please comment under this comment section, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe, and if you like this video please like and don't forget to share this with your friend. Thank you very much.